So I got these heavy and fragile stickers from PreFeel, and they are just a step above what I've been using in the past to ship my stuff out. It doesn't take a whole lot to do a sticker, but for the price and the quality of these, and the size is the big thing. These come in both 3x5 and 4x6 stickers. With the heavies, you can write notes like why it's heavy or whatever else on there. Big thing is the fragile stuff. Please handle with care. It's big. It's gigantic. Bright red. Easy to see. Easy to peel off. And look at the size difference here. It's twice the size as this one. Brighter red too. This stands out way more. But wait, there's more. Individual sheets, peels right off, really easy. Look at the size of that guy. It's gigantic. Quality is fantastic. Bright red, sticks out. Shiny, it's got that gloss on there, catch your attention. These are fantastic. 2 separate sizes. If you got a smaller package or whatever, put the smaller ones on there. But man, these big ones, especially when you have big boxes like this is a 13 by 13. And this takes up almost the entire side, which is something I want when I'm shipping fragile stuff, which I do all the time. They come in sheets like this where competitors will have it in a roll going around in a roll, which is okay. It's not the end of the world, and I've used them in the past, but sometimes the edges get all mucked up when they're in that roll like that. These are sheets, easy to store, easy to pick up, and just peel right off. And these larger 4x6s are the red and yellow heavy. Again, easy peel, pop it right on there. Geez, you cannot miss that. Heavy, caution, lift with care. Fantastic stuff there. So these packing stickers from PreFeel Direct are the way to go. Big, bright, go get you some.